Perplexity AI processes 100 million queries per month, up 400% from last year. It's not just another chatbot. It's a research engine that cites every claim. Start with a broad question, then use follow-up queries to drill down. Perplexity's sources panel lets you verify every claim instantly. It's Google plus Wikipedia plus ChatGPT combined. ProSearch asks clarifying questions and runs multiple searches. For complex topics like market research or technical analysis, it produces report-quality results in 30 seconds. Organize research into collections for ongoing projects. Share them with teammates or export to Notion. It's like having a research assistant that never forgets. Live research session using Perplexity to research a complete topic from scratch, showing the query strategy, source verification, and final synthesis workflow. Try Perplexity Pro free for a week. Link in the description. Subscribe for more AI research and productivity tutorials.